Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce Mctier and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you ladies and gentlemen today with the final summertime swap reveal. This last artist that I am going to be featuring today is no one other than me, Joyce Mctier, and the name of my business is Lajoytra Creation Designs. So I am going to go ahead and get into this swap. We picked names on Friday and my swap partner was no one other than the Queen Tamika Allen. And so Queen, these are going to be your gifts that I am going to be gifting to you. So the first item that I am going to be showcasing is for the month of June, and it's called Summertime Fun. Now I made and I created this is a necklace. I made and created this necklace because I wanted to be a piece, something that you could wear for the summertime that was a fun piece. I tried to go according to the colors that are in the rainbow. You know, the rainbow has many different colors. So I tried to put it together using the colors in the rainbow. I'm going to say some of the colors in the rainbow. So this is a necklace. You can adjust it. You can wear it a couple different ways. You can wear it long or short. It has chain on it. But the first thing I'm going to show you are the earrings. And these are the earrings that I made and created with the necklace or for the necklace. So these are the earrings. And the reason why I made the earrings small, because the necklace itself is a statement piece. It is definitely a statement piece, and sometimes you want everything to have a balance when it comes to jewelry. So I'm going to show you the necklace. Let me get it all together here. So this is the necklace. And I wanted it to be something fun. I wanted it to be a statement piece that you can wear and you can wear out and you can go. This is a fun necklace. This is something that you would put on and people would be like, wow, that's really nice. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it's going to look like on. It has a lobster claw clasp, and when you wear it, trying to make sure I'm putting it on the right way. You're going to put it on like this. And this is how it is going to fit. And I'm going to take these earrings off so that you can just focus on the necklace. So this is how the necklace is going to fit when you wear it. But you can also make it a little shorter. This is like if you have on a shirt with a collar, you can put it over the collar and bring it down so people can see it. Or sometimes if you're just wearing something that's open, that has an open neck, and you really want to get really cute with it, you can make it into, give me a minute, y'all. Oh, I got it turned the wrong way. I had the lobster claw clasp turned the wrong way. So what you want to do is you want to come down on your necklace. You want to come down on it, and then you want to just clamp this in. What am I not doing right? Okay. And see, you can bring that up. You'll have that chain there, but at least you can adjust it and bring it up and wear it like this. And this is really cute, okay? And you got your matching earrings to go along with it. And this blue is gorgeous, okay? So this necklace is for the month of June, and this is the Summertime Fun necklace. Okay, matching earrings, necklace. This is really cute, y'all. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get into the next two items. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm back. So my next pair, the next two items that you are going to see are going to be some earrings for the month of June. For the month of July and August. So these next earrings that I made for the month of July is a pair of abstract wire earrings. I came up with this design actually from making another pair of earrings, and then I just came up with this design. And I'm going to show you, here they are. They are completed. I haven't put the hooks on them yet, but this is what they look like. And these are abstract, pretty large earrings. As a matter of fact, these earrings are about, and I can tell you how long they are. Yeah, they're about 4 inches, yep. They're 4 inches long. Yep. So this is for the month of July, and it's called Summertime Fling. And that's what these are. And these are going to have some sterling silver fish hook posts to go along with them. I haven't put the post on them yet, but that's what they're going to have, Tamika. So these are yours. And this may be the only pair that I make like this. This is probably, I'm going to say it might be a one-of-a-kind pair. I'm not sure if I want to do that yet, but we'll see. Okay, so this was Summertime Fling. And the very last pair of earrings that I'm going to show you is called, for the month of August, it's called Summertime Extravaganza. Okay, so these earrings, I wanted to do something that was very festive, something that was very colorful, and I actually did a DIY on these earrings. So if y'all want to know, for those of you who are watching, how I created these, go and check out that video. Yes, I will definitely do that. And so I'm going to show you all these earrings here. And this is for, like I said, the month of August. And these are called Summertime Extravaganza. So here they are, queens. Here they are. And this is what they look like. And I wanted them to look like something that was festive, colorful. And these earrings, you can, of course, you can dress, I'm not going to say you can dress up or down. This is a fun pair of earrings. These are the earrings that you put on when you're going to, somewhere fun, cook out, and not only that, they are a statement piece. So that when you walk in the room, everybody will know you have these. You won't be able to find these anywhere else unless you create them yourself. But these are Summertime Extravaganza for the month of August. Okay. So these are all your goodies that you are going to get, queen. You're going to get these earrings. You're going to get these earrings for the month of July. And you're going to get this beautiful necklace with these matching earrings right here. Summertime Fun. Okay. So you're going to get all of these goodies right here. So with that being said, I want to thank every queen who participated in this summertime swap reveal. I want to thank all of y'all who took your time to make and create and think outside the box and come up with something different. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. This swap was the swap of all swaps. I must say, this was an awesome swap, ladies. This was an awesome swap with so many different, I really got to know where most of you all are going to be going with your work. Like, it's phenomenal. Like, it's awesome. And you should be very proud of yourself, because this took you up to another level. So now what you got to do is, and this next swap that's coming up called It's Fall, y'all, now you're really going to have to step it up to another level, because there are many different levels to being a creator. Many different levels. So with that being said, I want to thank those of you who have decided to be on this journey with us. This was a 2-week journey. I had to go through every last one of these entries. I enjoyed the whole thing, y'all. It just actually inspired me even more to tap into my creativity. So I want to thank y'all so very much who hung in there with me, who watched all the videos, because it was some of y'all who were super supporters, who watched every last one of these videos, and I thank you so very much. The ladies, me and the ladies, we appreciate it so very much. All your wonderful comments, everything, we appreciate it. So if you are new to my channel and this is your first time viewing this video, please hit the bell on the side excuse me, so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all for watching, and if you are interested in participating in something like this, I have a video that I posted the other day on how can I join the swaps. Watch that video and meet me back here on the 27th of September for Jewelry Talk Live, which will air 8 o'clock p.m. July the 27th, 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank y'all so very much and have a wonderful week. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.